Welcome, ladies and gents. It's a brand new day, a brand new video. My BM-800 mic arrived. It's sick. It's 10 times, not actually 10 times. Oh no, that's wrong. It's bigger. It's big microphone. No longer a tiny mic. I have big mic. It's medium sized, I guess. It's good enough. This is the audio from my old Senda STM2 mic. Let's switch to the BM-800. I'm using my. All I really have to say is this thing is huge. It's way bigger than my old mic. Let me get my old mic. The cords are strangling my neck. This is the old mic. It's like a baby. Comparison to this, it looks like a baby. It's sick. I like this a lot. I'm happy. I'm so happy. Well, here's a quick time lapse of me murdering this package with a screwdriver. I didn't have scissors. I don't have a knife. I'm just using my old screwdriver. I got this from Shopee for like $599. It was on sale. It was real good. I'll leave the link in the description. It's sick. PogChamp, really big PogChamp. I said PogChamp 4 times now. I should stop saying that word. Well, oh wait, there it is. It's beautiful, wonderful, amazing, gorgeous. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. See ya. Oh, that was great. This is great.